welcome back to Vividly Bright. My name is Courtney and I'm so glad you're here. It's finally time. We've done the shop with me, we've done a decor haul, and now it's time to decorate with me. So if you want to see what I'm going to do for my house this Christmas, then let's get into it. All right, so here is the space. I'm just gonna show you around. This is actually my, I guess you would call it formal living room. We have two. We have one in the front of the house, right when you walk in, and then we have another one a little further into the house. And this is actually where I film most of my videos, try-ons, hauls, what I wore this week, just things like that. So it's usually where the tree is where the couch used to be, and those shelves, the two shelves with the pottery on it, was on the other side of the room. I rearranged some things so that we can fit this tree. I actually forgot to mention, I did buy something at Walmart. I got a tree, but I got this last year after Christmas when it went on sale. So it was like 40 bucks for something that was really, really expensive beforehand. So that's the tree. It's already set up. I'm gonna put some lights on it and then I'm going to decorate it. And right now I'm just gonna show you some of the living room and the dining room. This is just the living room, like the shelves where that stool, which usually holds those plants, where those stools are, that's where the shelves used to be when you would walk in, and then the couch would be there. So the couch is now here facing this big window, and then we have this chair, and then kind of an empty space, and the table. So my ideas were to obviously decorate the tree, do something with these shelves. I'm not quite sure what. I'm trying to incorporate the plants into the decor because I don't want to move them, because they like where they are. They like being in this room, so I don't want to move them. Over here with the couch, do some decorating there, do some decorating on the walls. I know on the walls, I know there used to be the basket collage on that wall. I might put it over here, or I might put something different. Just kind of throw something on the chair, maybe a pillow or a blanket or something. And then do something with this table. This table usually only has one plant. The other two plants belong on the shelves, but I took them off when I moved them. So figure out a situation for this area. And I have two of those chairs. Those are like a curbside score. So don't know if I'm gonna do anything with those chairs, but right now I have one in there and one in the dining room. There used to be both right there next to the table, next to that chair, but there's no more room, so I moved them. So now we're gonna go take a look at the dining room. It's the dining room. It's right off the living room. We don't really use it too often. We usually will eat in the kitchen more so. So decorating this is no problem because it's not really a main spot, a hot spot for this room. I think I'm going to mostly just decorate the table, do a centerpiece. We already had these gold So just keeping with that. And that shelf over there, I might do something on that shelf and maybe something on the wall, but I hadn't decided yet. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do for the dining room space. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put the lights on the tree, fluff the tree out, do that off camera because it's gonna take a while. And then we'll come back and we will decorate. Ding! Hello, so we're back. So I put the lights on the tree and fluffed it. Let me show you, spin it around. Put the lights on the tree and fluffed it. Can't see lights, I haven't turned them on. But put the lights on the tree and I fluffed it. And now what I'm working on is the ornaments. So what I'm gonna do, instead of just putting the ornaments on by just the hook, if you can see, just the hook, I'm going to actually make clusters. So how you make the clusters, I'm gonna take a green pipe cleaner and string them into just different groups because I have, let me just show you. I have all of these different ornaments. Excuse my gum. I have all of these different ornaments. And then I also have some larger ones here. So what I'm thinking of doing is just making clusters of big and small, different colors, some colors all grouped together, and then using those clusters to decorate the tree. So that's what we're doing. We're going to put all of these into clusters, so when we come back, these will be clustered up and ready to put on the tree. Okay, so now I have them all clustered together. I did not do any of the pink ones. I might go back and do some pink ones, but for now I have them all clustered together and I'm going to start putting them on the tree. So I am done putting the bulbs on. Basically what you do is you tie it around the branches, the clusters, the pipe cleaner, you tie them around the branches. I wanted to get more pipe cleaners that look like the actual tree branches, and I have a pack, but I couldn't find any more, so I had to go with these green pipe cleaners, and I'm not too thrilled with them, but they're on now. And the next thing I'm going to do is put on a few more decorations and maybe hide the green pipe cleaners a little bit better and show you the finished product. So I have all the bulbs on the tree, all the ornaments on the tree, and I got these little things from Walmart. They're these little clips, and I'm going to put these on in between to add just a little bit of natural fiber to the tree. So we're going to see how that goes. That's the tree. Let me get back some so you can see the full shot of it. that's the tree. So now I'm going to work on decorating those shelves and the coffee table and the wall above the coffee table, oh, excuse me, the wall above the couch. So stay tuned. Hi, Editing Courtney here. I wanted to give a little context to the next few clips. I'm doing the dining room table, but it happened to be quite a few days after I started the video with the tree and everything, because unfortunately our dog passed away. So it was a hard time for my kid, my husband, and myself, and just in general. So I didn't feel like doing much of anything. And then when I finally was like, okay, I need to get all of this stuff put away because it was just a big old mess. Yeah, so that is the reason why it's really dark because it was almost nighttime when I started shooting it, and then also why I didn't feel like doing anything, so wearing sweats, didn't do my hair, but it's there, it's pulled together. I pulled it together in the end. But yeah, just wanted to let you know that it's just me moving on to the dining room. It was a few days after I had decorated the living room, so just wanted to give you that little piece of information. Enjoy the rest. Are there any ideas that you're going to try in your own house? Anything that you're going to go pick up? Let me know in the comments. Also, I just want you to have a wonderful, merry, and happy holiday, Christmas, whatever it is that you celebrate. From me to you, thank you for coming back and enjoying my videos and joining me for my fun with fashion and thrifting. So until next time, stay bright, live true, and be vividly you. Bye!